In the heart of Cherry Creek is Cherry Creek North, consisting of 16 blocks of over 400 unique retail stores, along with Fillmore Plaza, which is a closed off street for special events, including art festivals and food fairs, along with 20 art and garden places that shoppers can rest and linger. Seasonal lighting creates a festive atmosphere. With the largest selection of specialty stores that you can't find just anywhere. The Jacquard Hotel, which hosts a famous narrative restaurant, is known for its luxury accommodations, plus a fantastic rooftop pool and bar with a spectacular view of the city. Relax, take a swim, have a drink, and enjoy the best of Cherry Creek. Shopping, shopping, and more shopping. Now, if one rooftop restaurant wasn't enough, we have a second one. This is called Del Frisco's. It's not a hotel, it's just a steakhouse with another rooftop bar. There are world class art galleries in Cherry Creek North. Along with some of the finest high end jewelry stores. You can get a great burger at Cherry Cricket. And of course, they are always improving with this brand new state of the art office building. Now, if you come from Boston, New York, or LA, you will enjoy our city and agree that it is quaint. There are specialty services, including fine art sales and appraisals. Great coffee shops, not just Starbucks, where you can have a leisurely coffee or tea and enjoy the scenery. You can stay right in the heart of Cherry Creek North by purchasing a luxury condo. And if two rooftop bars weren't enough, we have a third luxury hotel with a rooftop bar and a pool called the Halcyon Hotel. And then right across the street is the Cherry Creek Indoor Mall with over 160 upscale shops. And one of my favorites is Restoration Hardware, which is really not a hardware store. The mall consists of boutique shopping. And of course, I had to include cars. Tesla has their dealership there, and they always have unique cars on display. If you're interested in my next video, just click the link below.